Samsung's latest Galaxy S24 Ultra launch has hit a snag, with several users reporting a concerning display issue on Reddit. Owners of the new device have encountered an annoying green stripe on their screens, with some even spotting both green and white stripes. Despite trying fixes like restarting the phone and factory resets, the problem persists. This issue, although not widespread, is causing worries about Samsung's quality control for its flagship product. One particular case mentioned involves a user facing this issue just 6 days after buying their Galaxy S24 Ultra, leading them to seek help from their carrier for a possible replacement or refund. So far, a satisfactory resolution seems out of reach. Samsung hasn't officially commented on these reports yet, leaving users in limbo about the device's reliability and the effectiveness of customer support. There's speculation that the problem could be fixed with a software update, but the lack of immediate action from Samsung is disappointing for those who've invested in the Galaxy S24 Ultra. As this situation unfolds, it's crucial for Samsung to step up with clear communication and swift solutions, whether through software updates or hardware replacements. Addressing this issue head-on is key to maintaining trust in the Galaxy S24 Ultra series. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates on this developing story. Peace out.